Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 167, and today's topic is how to add an orbiting microdots animation in a process map diagram in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select concept sketcher feature because in Airline Studio if you want to generate a process map you need to do it through concept sketcher. Now I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is online shopping system and visually representing end-to-end business process. So go to the animation panel, select over here, you can enable the animation and select the orbiting microdots. You can see that there is an orbiting microdot which is going around the edges, showing the flow of the diagram. You can see that there is a babbled kind of structure which is going around the edges and showing you the flow in which the diagram is there. Okay, so this helps you to visually represent the moment and interaction between different workflow stages. So basically adding an orbiting micro dot animation in AILN Studio helps you to make your process map diagrams more interactive and visually engaging. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.